Hello guys, welcome to another section of my canvas. So you all know this is Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to protect our headset, charger wires, etc. from tear and wear. Okay, so I hope you guys will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, you guys can see in this wire the insulation has broken, so I have given an extra insulation, but the thickness of this insulation tape has gone, so I thought of giving some other protection so it won't be get distorted anymore. So I came up with this solution to wrap the wire using the thread. For that, first you need a spool of thread, then cut it as you record. Take the middle portion of the thread, place the wire on top of the thread, then as shown, first make a single knot on the thread, a tight knot, then put the right end of the thread on top of the wire, then pull the left end of the thread over the right end of the thread and under the wire from through the loop. Okay, and tight it. You will get the first knot. Okay, you should make it so tight. I will once more show it. First put the right end of the thread over the wire, then put the left end of the thread on the right end of the thread, then pull the left end through the loop under the wire as shown, and pull both the ends and make the knot tight. You will just get the second knot. Like this, you should do till the end of the thread, till you reach the end of the thread. Like this, I have knitted all along the thread, and to cut the extra thread, first you should glue it. After the glue gets dried up, cut the extra thread out, otherwise the knitting will come out easily. Okay, like this I am going to do on my second end of the wire also, and after that I will show you the result.